Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video we'll be working here on the C-Class, guys, the generation from 2008 to 2015. What we'll be doing today, we'll show you how to remove and replace side marks. Okay, right here, these lights, if you want to replace them, you know, the original ones are orange, we replace them with clear ones. So we'll show you how that procedure works now and how to do it. We have more than 200 videos on this car. We'll be taking the whole thing apart. Make sure you subscribe. Many videos to come, and if you need anything, let us know. So let's start on it now. So what we'll need to do next, okay, we'll need to go ahead, okay, you need to install tire chocks. Okay, and this is because we'll be working on the front right side, so we install them on the rear left diagonal. You have to have the car in park if it's automatic. Okay, emergency brake on all the way. Next, okay, we're going to jack up this side because we'll be working on the right side. You always, guys, have to use a jack stand. We have all the tools, okay, and parts we use in the description below. Check it out under the video. If you need anything, we'll have it there. Okay, so let's get the jack stand now. And next we're going to remove the tire. Have to take the lug bolts loose before we jack it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove that one now. Okay, perfect. Now we just pull it out and we're going to throw it under the car, face up. So if something happens, the jack stand fail, at least the tire, the wheel will catch it, so it's not gonna kill you while you're underneath. Now we will need to remove the fender liner, okay, on the front side. So we have 3 clips here. Okay, let me grab the light quick. Okay, you can see this clip right here, one more over there, and one of ours is missing. So on those you pull the middle piece out and then you pull the whole clip. So we'll use the panel removal tool set that we have here. It's very inexpensive, but it does an amazing job. Okay, and we're going to pull, okay, the clips now. Okay, the middle piece came out. Now we need to pull the other one. Okay, like that. We need to do the same thing to all 3 of them. Remember, one of ours is missing, so we can do only 2. Okay, perfect. This one came out as well. Now underneath, we have a few more things that we need to do. Okay, let us show you what exactly. So I'm under the vehicle now, okay, and we have one more clip. Okay, right there that we are removing, the same kind of clip. Now we have 8mm screw that we need to remove. Okay, right there. And now the fender liner can go towards the back like that. So now for the whole assembly, guys, okay, on the back side you reach the light bulb. Now when you turn counterclockwise, okay, to remove it. Like that. Okay, the bulb is there now. Next, that thing, okay, I'm going to show you how actually it works out once we take it out, because it's impossible to stick the camera in there. Okay, there is one tooth that you're going to press in. Okay, now on the inside you have one more part, okay, that will come out, this one here. So this is the assembly now, check it out. Now when you lock it in place, okay, that's how it is, okay, and you just click here, okay, that's how it is installed on the bumper. So in order to take it off, you press this thing towards the back, the clip, and they come apart, like that. When you're ready to install it, you get the back piece in. Okay, and it's really tight spot. Okay, now you need to get that piece in on the front side first. Okay, and then you click in like that, okay, until it's locked in place. So if you still cannot reach it good, you can remove that light. It has only 4 screws with Torx 20. Okay, and you can just pull it out. Okay, and from this point, okay, you can hold it here, okay, with your hand on the front. It's still a little bit limited room, but it's doable. And when it's locked in place, you're going to hear that audible click. So all we have to do, put everything together that we took apart. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.